Alright, this is my '01 Chevy Tahoe. 24-inch rims. This a little demo here. Working on it. 22-inch MTX Jackhammer. That's what's in the back, just one sub. MTX high-end components, 6.5, the doors, all of them. I'm not a pro installer, but I got a little bit of time involved. Maybe an amp rack. It's a little windy out, so you're probably hearing some noise, but 7 kinetic 2400s. We've got 4 MTX 92001s, 2 per voice coil, my Jackhammer. All street wires, 1/0, 4 gauge, running to the sub. Pioneer head unit. Had to come out to this voltmeter. I stuck up in there, did a little custom deal there with a switch. Still able to put the newborn child and 14-year-old child in the back. Down the floor there, just threw some highs in real quick, like 804 for the highs. Let's see here. It's a beauty. We can still put plenty of people in there. Same speaker, same box I had in my Lumina. It's about 4 years old, ragdoll to hell. It's got the SPL cone, dual 2s. I beat the hell out of it every day. I'm running probably with the voltage, maybe with those amps, maybe about, I don't know, 13,000 watts RMS to it. It's a 22 inch and it's a 12,000 max. 6,000 RMS, and I'm just throwing that to it all the time, beating the hell out of it. Well, let's see what it sounds like. Let's close up the doors and check it out. I don't have any Dynamat in there yet. I haven't had a chance to do any more demos. Give it a shot.
You did it to yourself.
Bass knob down here in the console. My camera does not like bass, so it's going to sound probably like shit, but gives you the idea.
To hear your complaining, I'm gone, and all you're hearing is your
See, my voltage drop is massive. I'm running one MechMan 250 amp alternator under the hood. I got a quad alternator bracket to put in there. Haven't got it in there yet. Gonna be running the 4 when I can get to it. Let's throw something up the top here. Show a little flex because people on my last video said I didn't have enough flex in my vehicles. So I bought a bigger vehicle and stuck a big speaker in it. We'll see what it does. For those who don't think this jackhammer hits pretty low in about an 8 cubic foot box, let's see what it'll flex on my Tahoe here. This is about a 3-pound roll of tape here I'm going to put up there.
Just so you guys know, if you're non-entry, he's got a single jackhammer back there.
Single jackhammer with 15,000 watts.
Well, at least get to hear something. I'm gonna waste some battery now. We gotta get a play.
I'll get it out.
It's just not that much.
You missed the meeting.